early, in the early years of adolescence. Veda Chopra, come in on this. How do we as a society normalize, taking therapy and perhaps also a more empathetic response to a vulnerable child? Because we must also acknowledge that not every child has the privilege to seek therapy. But as all the stakeholders involved in it, whether it's parents, teachers, peers, how do we become more empathetic as a society towards children? Because, let me also point out here that the NCRB report says that exam pressure is among the top causes of child suicides.
I think I would want to refer to a funnel effect. We have a growing population of youths. We have a handful of prestigious colleges. Every child wants to get into the best college. And then we have even fewer employment opportunities, who prefer, of course, children from those prestigious colleges. Now, if we put in social media into the mix, there's peer pressure, there is pressure from parents, there's internal sense of pressure, because on social media, everybody seems like they are successful. So we throw in all of that. And when a child comes to us and says that, I'm not feeling okay, or I wish I wasn't here, I wish life would just end, we kind of minimize their problems. We say that during our times, we also had to struggle. Don't be weak. Look at that other person. They're also struggling, but they're really, really strong. Try to be as strong as possible. We have become desensitized to the term depression. When some child comes to us and tells us they're feeling depressed, we say, aajkal sare bacche depressed hai. With the smallest thing, you will get depressed and you will call them triggers. And you will use words like trauma dumping, and you will use words like trauma, which are high words, and you should stop using them. We are minimizing, we are desensitized to this problem, and we're not really listening to children when they're talking. So somewhere we need to have awareness workshops for parents, for teachers. We need to start destigmatizing mental health care and seeking opportunities for that in any sphere. So that's my take on it. I just feel like we need to take these statements seriously, and we need to see these warning red flags.
Right. So trivializing the problem won't... Intervention has to happen at the right time. Intervention at the right time is very important. I have the last 30 seconds.
It is very important.
Veda Chopra, to you, as somebody who as a young therapist who works with children, are children not able to keep up with the changing times, given the fact that now you have virtual reality, you have social media, and so many factors at play?
I think the question is not if they're able to keep up or not. The question is the lack of support from their, peers, from their family, from their social system, that they're not being able to understand the pressures that have been put because of the changing times.
Right.
Like I said, it's just this pressure cooker that is building up, and all they need is a catharsis. So if we can give that space for a catharsis without being
I think that's a very important point.
Yeah, without saying things like, हमारे समय पे हमने भी struggle करा था.
Right.
These times have changed.
So times have changed, and space for catharsis is very important, and I hope we can create those safe spaces for our children. Thanks all very much for joining us on this very important debate this evening. And that's it on this edition of the 10 o'clock news. Good night.